amount of time we spend online these days, it's hard not to make friends. You can join online groups and meet friends with the same interests as you. You can make friends while teaming up to play games online. You can even make friends as you learn right here on our website. And even if you never meet us in person, Mia and I will always be your friends. Right, Mia? But how well do you really know your online friends? I mean, besides us. Can you trust that everyone online is who they say they are? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to make and interact with friends online in a way that keeps you safe from the potential scammers and predators out there. With your instructor's permission, you can even use Mia Academy's community features to put your learning into practice immediately. Let's get into it. The internet can be a great way to make new friends. The internet is full of groups for you to join to meet other people that share your interests. It doesn't even matter how far apart you live because the internet spans the entire globe. And the internet is there 24/7, so you can catch up with your online friends at any reasonable time you want. Can you think of any other benefits to making friends online? Include them in your notes. Despite the many benefits to making friends online, you still have to be careful. The lack of face-to-face communication means you never really know who you're talking to. With today's camera filters and AI technology, even video chats can't be trusted to verify another person's identity. And that's scary because you never know who an online friend really is or what they might secretly want from you. Luckily, by following a few simple do's and don'ts, we can make tons of friends online without being taken advantage of by anyone. Do use strict privacy settings on all of your accounts, especially social media. This keeps your profile and information safe from anybody you haven't approved of as a friend. On our sites, privacy settings are up to your instructor, but on other sites, these settings may be up to you. If you want your accounts even more private, don't use your real full name online. Instead, hide your last name, just like we do on Mia Academy, or use a nickname. You can still make friends online without them knowing your full name. And it keeps them from being able to snoop on you by putting your name into a search engine. Do be honest online about your personal interests so you can meet others with similar interests and form genuine connections. Mia Academy's Teams feature is a great place to start looking for groups of like-minded friends, but don't give others your personal information. People online don't need to know anything about where you live or your banking details, and they could actually use that information to find you in real life or steal your identity. Do think before you post anything. Once you put something online, it's almost impossible to take it back. Even if you delete it, people could have taken screenshots, and the data may still be saved in people's browsers and the website's servers. You especially don't want to get involved in drama or be rude to people online. You might find it funny at the moment, but most people don't want to be friends with somebody like that. These kinds of posts can even come back to hurt you later in life when you're applying to colleges and jobs. As you grow, you'll become more aware of what is and is not appropriate to post online. Until then, our website has moderators to help you avoid making mistakes with what you post and say to others. Do always keep a trusted adult in the loop when making new friends online. They can help guide you in making smart decisions and keep you from making mistakes that you can't take back later. Finally, if you decide to meet an online friend in person, don't do it all by yourself. Ask your trusted adult to come with you to ensure that you're safe. For added safety, have your online friend meet you and your adult in a public place with a lot of other adults around. Follow these do's and don'ts, and you'll make plenty of friends online safely. Social media websites are a great way to put these tips into practice, but only join those websites with a trusted adult's permission. In fact, it may be a good idea to hold off on joining any social media until after our next unit, which is all about how to be a good citizen of digital communities. But first, you'll have to complete the Internet Safety Wrap-Up to show that you now know how to be safe while you explore the digital world. Good luck on your assessment, and remember, your brain is the smartest computer you'll ever have, so keep it charged and never stop updating it. See you next time.
Hey, hey.